Hi guys, this is Andrew from Mockups Design. Today I'm going to show you how to use a book mockup that you can download from Mockups Design for free. You can use it for both personal and commercial projects. For this tutorial I'll be using this book mockup. You can find it here in book category. You can download it by clicking on the big blue download button on the bottom of the page. I will leave the link in the description so you can follow along. All mockups that you can download from Mockups Design come as a zip file. I trust you know how to open a zip file on your system. Once you open the folder, you will see a few PSD files. Each one comes with a JPEG preview so you can know what it looks like. To edit the mockup, we need to open a PSD file. I'll go the first one, the basic view. To start working with this mockup, we need to delete this first layer. Now what we want to do is place our cover design and adjust the other elements to match it. First, we need to find the Smart Object layer. A Smart Object layer is like a container. You can replace what's inside it and all the effects stay the same. The shadows, the position, the filters, the perspective. Everything is preserved. You can just change the content. Let's look at the layers panel to find the right smart object. Look for a layer named something like design or project with this small icon on its thumbnail. When I create mockups for the site, I always try to keep smart object layers at the top or at least easy to find. In this mockup there are two smart objects, cover and edge. To replace the cover, we double click on the cover layer thumbnail. This opens a new window in Photoshop. It looks like a new document, but it's actually the content of the smart object from the main file. I've prepared a sample design for this tutorial. One important thing: your design should have similar proportions to the one in the mockup. If your design is a square and the mockup cover is horizontal, it's not going to work well. On the mockup page I often include the design dimensions. So you can quickly check if the mockup fits your project. Now I'll open my design as a separate file in Photoshop. I will select all with Ctrl A, copy with Ctrl C and go back to the Smart Object document. Paste with Ctrl V. The design I prepared already includes the spine, so I'll adjust the position to fit the cover properly. Now I will save this file with Ctrl S. And I will close the design file to keep things clean. As you can see, the cover design has been applied, but we still need to add the spine. I should mention here, in my newer mockups, the spine and cover are combined into one smart object, so you don't have to paste two separate designs. Let me open the Edge Smart Object. My design is still in Photoshop's memory, so I'll just paste it again. I can adjust the position if I need to. I will save it and close the Smart Object. It looks really good, but I can still fine-tune a few things. I will adjust the back cover color using the color layer in the layers panel. I will double click on the cover color thumbnail and change it to white. Background color feels a little bit too dark. Let's make it a little bit lighter. Great, our presentation is ready. I also want to show you that I always try to make my mockups looks great in any scenario. Let me change the design to black. and I will update all the colors to match. Look, it still looks perfect. Alright guys, if something is unclear or you would like me to explain anything in more detail, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.